Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. In this session, we are going to learn something very important. But before we start, I have already uploaded two previous sessions. Let me ask you, did you practice those sessions? Did you comment your top 3 learnings? Guys, if not, push this video right now. Go to the comment sections and write your top 3 learnings from the previous videos. Because practice plus actions is equal to real learning. Guys, now let's start today's session. Today we will understand the important options inside the File tab in Excel. First option is Share option. When you click on File, click on Share, you can directly send your Excel file through email. If your Outlook is configured on your system, the file will automatically attach to the email. You don't need to manually attach the file. Just enter the receiver email ID and click Send. Guys, this is a very useful time-saving feature, especially for working professionals. If your boss says send the file in PDF format, many people get confused there. How do I convert Excel to PDF? But very simple. When you select PDF, your file will automatically convert into PDF format and attach to the email. Just enter the email address and click send. Now guys, done. And second option is info option. Click on info. This section is very powerful and many people don't use it properly. Guys, here you can see file size, and file location, and last modify date and author name. Guys, if you want to secure this file, go to protect workbook and encrypt with password. After setting a password, no one can edit the file without it. This question is very common in interviews. Guys, add title and author detail. In the info sections, you can also add title and add a category and add your name and author and email address. This helps identify who owner this file. In interviews, if someone asks who is the owner of this file, you will know exactly where to check. And next option is save as. When you click on save as, you can save your file in a different location with a different name on your local drive. And next option is print option. Here you can see print preview and number of copies. And print sections page range from 2. And portrait orientation and landscape orientation. And also edit page size. Guys, we will discuss this in detail in the next session. Today is in the just basic overview. The next option is export option. You can convert your Excel file into PDF format and XPS document format and change file type. Guys, this is very important. Here you can convert your Excel file into CSV file and text file. CSV file and text file. Guys, where is used CSV file? CSV files are used in bulk SMS tools and WhatsApp marketing, digital marketing platforms, third-party software data uploads. In interview questions, how do you convert Excel to CSV? Now you know the answer. So guys, today we covered the basic but powerful features of the file tab. Now your responsibilities is practice all these options. Try every setting yourself. In the next sessions, I will explain more advanced settings that will completely change your understanding of Excel. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your top 3 learnings, subscribe to DataDesk Pro, and see you in the next session. Thank you.